I am Vikalp. Today I am going to tell you how you can make a windmill. So, the parts that you will be needing to make a windmill are a fan that you can find, a pulley that you can find in Legos or you can also buy it, motor and wire that you can buy on electric shops, some screws and more electrical things. So now let's start. I have assembled these parts. This is a wooden plate. These are wires and some rubber to prevent softness. Now let's start. So first you will be needing a wooden plank. You will just join like this here, and then a pulley that you will join here. So now let's assemble it. Now I am using these long metal screws to assemble some bulbs, small bulbs. So first I will take these screws off of it. Okay. And then I will take this part and then put this in this hole. Okay. Now I will take this rubber tube, which is going to take this plastic strip and put it on these, okay? And then take this aluminium foil, fold it vertically like this, and then put it on each of the sides of the plastic sheet, okay? Like this. Now what you are going to do is take these small bulbs and then put them in to the small holes. What you are going to do is take this LED bulb, and I want to tell you that this long part is the positive part and this small part is the negative part. Keep all the positive part on one side and keep all the negative part on one side. See that I have assembled these like this. Now I will assemble it on here. Okay. Now we are done with this. Now what you have to do is take this motor and put this here with the double tape. Make sure that the pulley part is remaining outside, not inside. Then take two wires and then put it on the two terminals of the motor, like this, here. Now I have placed the motor right here. Now you're gonna attach two wires from the motor, one the positive side and one from the negative side. Okay. Now we are going to take Now I will connect this rubber band to this big pulley and then this part of the rubber band to this small pulley. And after the full assembly, the light will glow. So let's start with it. Now I will take this fan and put it right here. Okay? Now you will see that now as you can see, as you saw that while rotating the fan, the light went on. So this means that the wind power is converted into electricity that is going down these wires to the little LED light. So first I am going to tell you what is energy. Energy is the ability to do a work. For example, and there are two energies, renewable and non-renewable. Renewable energies are those energies which can be renewed. For example, wind energy, water energy, solar energy. Today I have made a project over wind, solar and water energies. So let's start. First I am going to tell you about wind energy. So as you can see that there is a windmill, and in real windmills there is a large size fan stacked up on a very tall pillar. When the wind blows it, the fan rotates and then the shaft moves to generate electricity. Then those electricity goes into the transformers and then is generated to every house. Okay, as you can see that in this model, a small DC motor is converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. That means if I spin this pulley, it will convert mechanical energy into electrical energy, in result powering these small LED lights. Okay, now I will show you the water model. Now here happens what that if I pour some water here, this will start to move and it will also as a result powering these small LEDs. So now I will show you how it will work. So now I will start this water and then it will pour here, and in result by pouring water it will start the LED lights. Okay, now I will slow this down. And now, as you saw that hydroelectricity can be generated by water and turbines. So now let's move on to the solar power. So as you can see that I have a solar panel, and in a real solar panel there are a line of solar panels in one place, and they collect all the sun's rays and convert it into electrical energy, which is raised to energy. Okay, now let's start it. So when I press this button, so now if I light this up, this will start to glow. Okay, 1 minute. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So now I will tell you some advantages of them. It is a clean energy and does not harm anyone. It does not harm the air and water. So guys, sun is shining, water is running, and air is blowing, so we can use them to make our energy. Now I am going to tell you some disadvantages of them. Like building dams cost very much money, and also while building it, they harm the flora and fauna. And solar panels require a lot of space, and in rainy, stormy and night, they cannot harvest sunlight from the sun. And windmills. There are very few places where air continuously blows. But these all energy resources are better than non-renewable energy sources, which are coal, petroleum, oil, etc. So friends, this is the end of the video, but I want to leave you with a thought. The more positive energy you give to the universe, the more positive energy they will give you.